Breaking updates coming in. India Bloc MPs will continue their protest today, demanding a discussion on SIR. Remember, they've been holding placards outside the parliament and they have been saying that the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision exercise by the Election Commission, should be scrapped completely. Today, the protest is going to continue. The opposition has been saying that there should be a discussion. And now you have the opposition leaders continuing their protest today.
We are protesting inside the parliament and outside the parliament on an important issue of SIR. Election Commission systematically targeting the democratic values of this country. Basically, we expected from Election Commission a neutrality stand, which they never doing. Now the latest reports from Bihar is also coming. Lot many voters are excluded from the voters list. How can a fair democracy will work like this? So therefore we are agitating it. In Bangalore, we are going to reveal serious malpractices by the Election Commission of India on 5th.
My colleague Niyamika joins us on the broadcast. And Niyamika, the opposition has been protesting every day outside the parliament and they have been demanding a discussion on the SIR. What's the strategy going to be? Because the government has clearly said that the matter is still in the Supreme Court and it can't be discussed in the parliament.
Well, the opposition parties are making it very clear to the government that they are not going to back down, as they are going to hold a protest both inside as well as outside the protest. As from the second day of the parliament, we have seen that how they were having this kind of a protest at Makardwar of the parliament, demanding that there should be an immediate discussion regarding the SIR exercise which is being conducted in the state of Bihar. And today as well we have seen that how several of the opposition MPs have also given adjournment motion notices in which they have made it clear that the only demand which they want to raise right now is that there should be a discussion within the parliament regarding this entire exercise, because the opposition parties are basically making this claim that as many as 12% voters name will be cut from the voter list of just ahead of the assembly elections, as it was. Manikam Tagore, who is the Congress Party's Lok Sabha MP, he has also made a tweet in this regard, and that is the reason why they are saying that they are not going to back down. As we have seen that how the disruptions have also been made by all these opposition MPs by repeated sloganeering, by having holding placards, coming to the well and raising slogans against the government of India, against the BJP, saying that this is basically a tactics on their part to remove the name of those voters who are going to vote in favor of the Mahagathbandhan parties, and that is the reason why this entire exercise is getting conducted just ahead of the assembly elections. Not just this, but in fact, when this question was being asked to various opposition leaders that why they are disrupting the house, why they are not letting the house function, they are saying that the government is not giving them a fixed time that when this discussion is going to take place within the parliament. Until that, they are going to continue with this protest against the SIR exercise being conducted in the state of Bihar.
So today we could see disruptions yet again. The opposition leaders have already decided that they will be protesting. Stay with us. More breaking updates coming in. In fact, the Congress MP Manikam Tagore has given an adjournment motion notice in the Lok Sabha